Alright, we got here is another unboxing from Amazon. This box is sealed, as you can see. So we got this bad boy right here. This is a 4-wheel drive, all electric RC truck. Now this is gonna be great if you got kids and you want something to do at nighttime, just play the RC. This is supposed to have 2 sets of wheels, 2 batteries, controller. So let's see what we got in the box. It's like super tape. Got some stuff in the box here. Box empty now. Looks like here we have spare wheels, your controller, and you got this bad boy right here. It's definitely got some weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It does have the shocks on it. 4-wheel drive. The underside is got the metal plate to make sure, you know, you skid across something, you ain't gonna do nothing. Got a little wheelie bar in the back so you don't go flip in the car. This should be the batteries, I believe. Oops, more wheels. So we got 1 wheel, 2 wheel, 3 wheel, 4 wheel. We got 1 battery here, 1 battery in the car. So you can see we have the snow, sand tires up here, and you get all-terrain already on it. This is going to be the controller box. Oh, snap. So you have a bunch of extra parts. So I guess somebody out there wants to go crazy and destroy this thing. You actually have extra drive shafts in there, shocks, which is going to be pretty helpful. Got your cables for charging your battery. And you have your controller. Looks like it doesn't have to have a big old antenna like back in the day. Forward, reverse, steering. Anyways, this is gonna be a fun little toy to have. I would recommend if you got some kids and you want to just do something on the weekends or in the afternoon, check it out on Amazon. Damn. This is only 7% power.